Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a product that my husband uses. So I'm actually making this video on his behalf, but I can't lie, I've actually used it myself before and it was totally fine. I've used this because when I put my hair in a bun for the day, I usually will use a little gel just to like hold the top and like the bottom back, and this I found had a really good hold, just like it says on the label. It says it's a firm hold styling gel, and that's exactly what it is. So American Crew, official supplier to men. So this is the firm hold styling gel, but they do have other products as well. It has a firm hold non-flaking gel, and this is the 250 milliliter tube, 8.4 ounces. So American Crew has been around a while. My husband really loves their products. This is like not the first thing that he's tried with their brand before. So this is a product that he purchases, like I would say every month. It probably lasts for like a month because for work he has to do his hair and stuff. Or in 3 weeks to a month. It depends how often he's doing his hair, but he really just does it for work. So it gives you high hold. It's a styling gel with alcohol-free formula, and it helps hair look thicker with added shine. The low pH prevents drying of the hair and scalp. Directions: apply a small amount evenly to wet or towel dried hair. Style as directed and let dry naturally. Caution: use only as directed. Avoid eye contact and keep away from children. We have ingredients: aqua, BPVA copolymer, PVP polysorbate 20, Quillaja saponaria bark extract, Panax ginseng root extract, Carthamus tinctorius safflower seed oil, Salvia officinalis sage leaf extract, propylene glycol, allantoin, panthenol, acrylates, C1030 alkyl acrylate cross polymer, triphenyllamine, tetrasodium EDTA, perfume fragrance, benzyl salicylate, limonene, linalool, phenoxyethanol, and diazolindolyurea. I'm sorry guys, that was painful. It's really hard to pronounce some of these. But I have to say, compared to other hair products, it seems like they do have more natural stuff than average, with like the seed oil and ginseng root extract and some of these other things. Like usually half the time it's like a bunch, like literally like 25 ingredients that I can't pronounce. So this, believe it or not, is actually not bad at all. Copyright 2013 Colmer Beauties Brands USA Incorporated, distributed in Denver, Colorado. Colymer BPP Barcelona, Spain, made in USA of US and foreign ingredients. So that's kind of cool. Like, you know, I like when there's always a brand that is made in the US and you can feel good about buying something from your country. All rights reserved, and the website is www.americancrew.com. I guess this is the brand number right there, and there's the phone number I guess you could call if you have any questions or comments. Barcode's right there. And then the container is plastic, so I don't see a recyclable label on here, but I'm pretty sure that you can recycle this. And they do sell these in, I'm not going to say every grocery store, but a lot of grocery stores, and online you could get it. Online, of course, is the easiest and most convenient way. So it's plastic tube, so I'm just going to go ahead and open that and show you guys. Very easy to squeeze out. I'll squeeze a little bit about. Oop, making a mess here. It feels pretty good for the most part. It feels non-sticky. I would say medium thickness. Scent definitely has like that cologne-ish smell to it. Very clear. I love that it doesn't flake. I've put it through my hair and brushed my hair and it literally doesn't flake at all or have any of that, you know, that white residue or anything like that. You'll never get that with this product. And it's easy to squeeze, like I said, and doesn't have a harsh scent. The best way I could describe it, it does have like that kind of manly scent to it, which is fine. It's really good, and it's not heavy or potent at all. So I think just all around great product. for hold styling gel, if you guys are like slicking your hair back, or if you're making, I don't know, even spikes, it would probably stay good for that. Ladies, if you run out of hair gel like I have in my house and I had to use my husband's, this is a great option as well. So I hope you guys try American Crew, official supplier to men from Hold Styling Gel, and I'm sure you're gonna love their products. And I thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys found it useful. Thank you so much.